Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Can you hear my voice? Hello, hello everybody. It's a pleasure to meet you again. Hello, can you hear my voice? If you can hear me, please type 1 in the comment room. Hello, can you hear my voice? If you can hear me, please type 1 in the comment room. Okay? Hello. Okay. Hello. Okay, welcome every friends. Okay, yeah. So if you can hear my voice, please type 1 in the comment room. Okay, I feel excited to communicate with you every time. Okay, yes, thank you. Okay, so let's start. Hello, buddies. Thank you for coming to my live room. First of all, Happy New Year 2023 to everyone. So now let's watch your stream and let me tell you more about it. I'm SPOTO CCIE Tutor and welcome to join me today. Everyone is welcome to our live room. So let's start. So don't forget to like and follow our social media like Facebook or YouTube for more update. Okay, welcome every friends. Hello. Yeah, thank you. Okay, so if you are the first time to come to my live room, so hope you can enjoy the time. Okay, so thank you for your joining. So do you know CCIE certification? Anybody knows can also comment below. Okay, I think many of you must know the CCIE certification, which is the expert level of Cisco system. So today we will talk about the CCIE overview, show the latest situation of CCIE and the FAQs of CCIE candidate. Also, I will introduce CCIE package as well as my tips to help you pass CCIE exam. Most importantly, we have huge great offer for candidates who want to do CCIE recently. Okay, hello everyone. Yeah, Happy New Year 2023. Okay, so this webinar is worth $199. Now you can learn it free. Yes, it's free, but exclusive for SPOTO learners. So share to your friends for more. Okay, let's start. Hello. Okay, so this is my ID number. I belong to SPOTO Gold Instructor. I'm proficient in Cisco and Huawei datacom technology. I have 5 years of experience in after-sales technical support from manufacturer and 2 years of project management exercise. So in my CCIE journey, I passed the CCIE exam in just 2 months. So if you want to achieve CCIE certification, you can follow me. I will help you to pass CCIE. Okay. Hello, okay, yeah. How to pass CCIE in 3 months? Okay, this is a good problem. Okay, I will introduce it detail. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, so let's move to the CCIE overview. Before the introduction, I would like to let you see our CCIE holders' latest past report, 2,300 plus IE from SPOTO. You can see, this about security February or January. Okay, and you can see February 3, January. Okay, so it's about different CCIE check. So if you want to achieve CCIE certification, SPOTO can help you. So the success story you can repeat. Yesterday, SPOTO has just passed 5 CCIE students. So do you want to be CCIE expert like them? Okay, I think the answer is yes. So let's get CCIE certified with SPOTO 2023. So now let's unlock the passing secret one by one. Okay, I will make brief introduction of CCIE first. CCIE is one of the most prestigious networking certifications in the world issued by Cisco, and it is meant to identify top network engineering experts. So with CCIE, you can take your place as a technical leader, Technology areas include enterprise infrastructure, data center, service provider, or enterprise wireless security collaboration. So, which CCIE track do you pursue? You can leave your comment below. Okay, hello Barry. Okay, yeah. What's a new upcoming change for CCIE lab? Okay, this program I will introduce it in detail. So because I think the program maybe everyone will interested in this program. Okay. So I want to ask you first, which CCIE track do you pursue? You can leave your comment below. Okay, enterprise infrastructure, or enterprise wireless, or data center. So what's your choice? You can leave your comment below. Okay, maybe I think many friends are interested in EI lab track. EI lab, okay, EI lab, enterprise infrastructure. Maybe, okay, EI enterprise infrastructure is very popular in current market, but maybe some friends are interested in different directions. As we all know, as long as you are engaged in networking, enterprise infrastructure is the foundation of all networks. So if you want to achieve security CCIE, you must have foundation about this part. Do you know? Okay, so I will introduce this CCIE in detail. So don't hesitate to give our webinar a sign up, join the study group, and stay tuned to get huge gift, free EI lab demo during the live webinar. Okay, so CCIE is widely considered the industry highest level IT certification program. But however, do you know the CCIE survey? Now let's see the CCIE area survey in USA 2022. For example, the area CCIE survey in the USA is $151,250 per year, and you can see from the right chart there are huge gaps between for a non-certified and the CCIE certified. People with CCIE certified will earn almost 20% than the non-certified. So you can get the idea of why CCIE is so popular. But the problem is how to get CCIE right? How to pass CCIE in just 3 months. It is a difficult exam by yourself. So don't worry, I will help you prepare for lab exam well. Okay. Yeah, I see this. Hello. Okay, welcome friends. You want to get security CCIE. Okay, but I want to ask you first. Do you have foundation about routing and switching? Okay, because if you want to achieve security, you must master routing and switching knowledge. Okay, so the entry-level job titles in the industry for a Cisco certified internet network expert include network engineer, network architect, and so on. The mid and senior level designation for CCIE certified professional include Cisco consultant, senior security engineer, and so on. So, according to pay scale, the salary for different job titles varies based on years of experience, countries maybe, but it can be ensured that there are huge potentials for CCIE certification holders and great salary enhancement for CCIE networking professionals. CCIE has provided us with many opportunities for employment and job hopping to earn high salaries. So, if you have the energy, I highly encourage you to hurry up and learn CCIE. Okay. So, Now let's go to the next part. How to obtain the CCIE certificate. You need to pass one core exam and one practical lab exam. So let's move to the EI lab exam overview first. To get a CCIE Enterprise Infrastructure Certified, you have to pass two exams. One is the CCIE EI written exam. This exam tests candidate knowledge of implementing core enterprise network technologies, including virtualization, infrastructure, network assurance, security, and automation. After passing the written test, you can take the second module. Second module is EI Lab hands-on lab exam, covering enterprise networks through the entire network lifecycle, from designing and deploying to operating and optimizing. Okay, so let's move to the lab part. Okay, so as you know, that routing and switching has changed too. CCIE EI Lab. So from this change, it can be seen that the current IT industry requirements for network engineers are no longer just routing and switching, but it added SDN and programming. So, and the positioning requirement for network engineers have become higher. So instead of having three modules as the old CCIE route and switch did, the new exam has two modules, mainly divided into design and DOO. DOO include deploy, operate, and optimize. So this exam is 8 hours total. 8 hours total, with the first part being 3 hours and the second module being 5 hours. Candidates will be tested on varying technologies and solutions listed in the exam topics throughout both modules. While both modules are independent from each other, there is a progressive storyline that will be built upon throughout the entire 8 hours lab practical exam. So let's continue. Okay, the first module is design module. It's very similar to our written test. Okay, have you took part in our written test? Okay. If you have taken the written test, you can reply number one. You can reply one. You can reply one on the comment room. Okay, so we know the written test. The design is very similar to our written test, with a total of 39 questions, including a welcome question and the ending question. So in total, you need to answer 37 questions. You won't be doing any configuration in this module. This is going to be things like drag and drop, multiple choice, single choice, drop-down selections. And after completing the design module, you will move on to the second module. First, you will get a lab topology framework and the requirement in advance, and then it is up to you construct how this network is built and optimized. The exam is only 5 hours, so which is also the reason why many students failed. Okay, hello. Oh yeah, a CCIE lab. Yes, we just introduced the CCIE EI lab. Okay, so candidates will have full visibility on all questions within this module. Point values associated to each item are displayed within this module. So to pass the exam, candidates need to score higher than the aggregated pass score of both modules. So there cannot be a situation where a module score is too low because Cisco needs comprehensive talents. Okay, so alright, we have talked about loads of CCIE exam overview. Now let's go deep into the key point today. CCIE roadmap change breakdown. Okay, do you know this change? Okay, so everyone, do you know Cisco has released a roadmap? Okay, do you know? This part is very, very important. So you must listen this part carefully. It's very useful for CCIE students. Okay. Yeah, okay. CCIE lab. Okay, so I will introduce it in detail. Now let's look this part. Today we mainly show with you the current status of CCIE. Cisco has released a certification roadmaps. It usually just makes public announcement when the certification exams are updated. We don't know if that announcement is ahead of time, but they are very clear and public. You will see the different certification checks are color code. If they are orange, it means Cisco is reviewing the exam for that quarters. If it's blue, that's when Cisco is announcing a change to the blueprint for that exam. If the certification track is green, it means Cisco is about to release a new exam now. So let's see it. Okay. This price. Okay, yeah, and I will introduce the price later. Okay, so let's see it. You can see in 2022, it's about the data center and the collaboration. We can see the CCI enterprise infrastructure. You can see in this enterprise 2023 January and 2023 quarter four and quarter 3 February and April, and quarter 4 it's about security and enterprise. So it's indicating that the CCIE framework will be adjusted in 2023, and I think EI enterprise infrastructure may be adjusted from February to June. So, however, Cisco said that changes to expert level certifications might not occur annually due to their complexity and longer time period requirement. We estimate that the time to change the question may be the second half. It's about from May to July of 2023. So if you want to take the CCIE certified, now is the best time. You need to take the last chance. Okay, so why now is the best time to take the CCIE exam? Okay, let's explain it. First, now to the lab version correspond to the same topology. Since Cisco EI lab change questions, candidates have encountered new versions. Second, now EI lab is very stable. There is only one version of EI lab. If Cisco change questions, the topology of entire lab will change. Candidates need to master multiple versions, which will become more difficult and need to wait for a solution. Thirdly, the solution is correct. SPOTO has a very accurate solution that can help candidates pass the exam at one time within 3 months. Last, we have high pass rate. Yesterday, SPOTO has passed 5 students achieve CCIE certification. So if you want to achieve CCIE certification, now is the best time to get certified. The sooner you get the CCIE certified, the more helpful it will be for your career development. So this part is very important. So friends, do you have any questions? If you have any questions about this part, you can leave the comment below and I will answer it for you. Okay, more discount, yeah. Today we will offer unprecedented offer for you. Okay, so if you want to achieve certification, you mustn't miss it. Okay, let's continue. This is the latest EI lab topology, which is mainly configured from routing and switching, SDA, SD1, and programming. This belongs to HQ category. This about DC, and this about SP1, SP2, and 4 branches. Okay, so among them, this module is mainly the routing and the switching part, which first realized the whole network communication. And this module is about SDN program, mainly examines SDA and SD1 technology. And this part is about programming. So, let me share with you the common lab questions in the exam. The first is about DIM VPN. DIM VPN is relatively a difficult module in routing and switching. We need to establish DIM VPN. This part is about DM VPN. So this part is relatively difficult. So we need to know the troubleshooting ideas for DM VPN, establish failures. The second part is about a PC host cannot obtain IP address from DHCP server normally. So you can read my summary of the investigation ideas by yourself. Okay. And about the SDN, the common SDN problem is mainly the problem of PC. This part is about SDN. You need to know how to transfer route between vSmart and vEdge. Okay, so in addition, in the current examination room, examiners often add mistakes to candidate. Candidates need to find out the fault and revise them. So the requirement for candidate troubleshooting abilities are extremely high. So therefore, the gold content of CCIE is also very high. So I also develop a CCIE learning journey for every student who become a CCIE expert. Okay, so I think everyone wants to get CCIE certification, but getting a certification takes a lot of dedication, long hours, sacrifice, and study preparations. Okay, security. Okay, yeah. Security. Okay. Security CCIE check. If you want to know more about this, we will introduce later. Okay. Or you can contact admin to get more information. Okay. Now let's continue. Okay, so I play your CCIE certification journey for you like project management. Step 1, initiation. Before you start your CCIE journey, you must first define your purpose. Make a list of reasons you want to get certified, such as increase salary and gain credibility in the industry, and so on. Step 2 is planning. Make a action item roadmap for exam topics when you create your CCIE certification plan. Thirdly, execution. Enforce yourself to set deadlines for completing the CCIE certification and then work towards the milestones throughout the program. Step 4, monitoring and control. This phrase means you can just just along the way as you measure your performance and set a target. Last step is closure. Continuously consolidate CCIE knowledge, obtain CCIE certification, and achieve goals. So, the current CCIE number is 66,880. So, hope you expert. So, if you want to achieve CCIE certification, you must grab the last chance. Okay, but there are always individuals, students who fail the exam. Why? So next, we will focus on the analysis of such students' questions. Okay, let's continue. The common reason for students to fail are: first, not practicing according to the plan. The tutor arranges study plan for students, but the candidate didn't invest time in study according to the plan made by the instructor, which affects the quality of each stage of lab. So dear friends, do you have this situation? Okay, if you have this situation, you can type 1 in the comment row. Okay. Do you have this situation? Okay. I think the above reason may be that some friends are more self-learning and less communication with their tutors. So we must communicate more with our tutors and follow their advice, because tutor can provide you with a lot of support. Okay, so second, student and synchronize the exam time. Candidate synchronize tutor's lab exam arrangement near the exam time, resulting in tight exam preparation time. Thirdly, modify the configuration by themselves. Candidate didn't follow the SPOTO solution 100%, resulting in low test scores. Last, the examiner added the wrong point. The examiner destroyed the configuration of the students, and students failed to find the problem due to the weak ability of the students to troubleshoot. So if you want to achieve the CCIE certification, you must choose strictly follow my suggestion, because we will provide you with a lot of support. Okay, so let's continue to introduce the tutor support. Okay, first, tutor will add mistakes for candidate and improve their troubleshooting ability. This about our mistakes. Okay, also we will sort out the examiner's error point to provide a student with learning. This about our examiner's error point. Okay, and thirdly, we will regularly follow up candidate practice, check rate configuration, and practice screen. So the tutor support for you is not only this. If you want to know more, you can leave a message to us. So trust SPOTO, we will help you to become CCIE expert. Okay, so we have talked about CCIE lab exam topics and techniques on preparing for lab exam. I think you must wonder how to pass CCIE lab exam in less time. Also, if you want to boost CCIE theory, it is the best time to choose the SPOTO CCIE lab package, which can help you pass in 3 months. Now let me tell you the passing secret with SPOTO step by step and our EI lab service package. Also, OIT product on huge sales. Okay, first, EI lab has two has two modules, including design and DOO. Design is very simple for SPOTO students because we have complete information to provide students. This part will not focus on the introduction. We mainly look at the DOO module. SPOTO has clear practice standards for students. For example, it is recommended to complete DOO within 3.5 hours. 3.5 hours before recommend students to take an exam. For example, routing and switching, SDN each need to be complete within 1.5 hours. Many students find it strange that DOO has 5 hours. Why are the requirements so high? Because candidates may experience various failures in DOO due to nervousness, unfamiliar test environment, and so on, which may lead to various failures in DOO, as students need to spend a lot of time to troubleshoot failures. So follow my standards strictly, and we will give you an effective test preparation experience. Okay, secondly, the REC practice environment we provide for everyone is very sufficient. You can flexibly arrange your spare time to practice through the cloud. The most important thing is that our practice environment is basically the same as the examination room, so don't worry about your practical difficulties. We have already made study arrangement for you. Our practice environment will separate routing and switching, SDN programming, and finally we'll have a fusion experiment. What you see is our routing and switching practice environment. Everyone will get a unique routing and switching REC practice permission, and when you complete a routing and switching practice, we will help you verify your overall practice quality, and I will tell you where there are deficiencies to improve. And this is our SDN REC practice interface. This is a complete practice environment, including routing and switching SDN, which is 99% identical to a test room. You can play your own practice time and adapt to the test room environment for practice in advance. And when you meet the exam standards, we will help review your practice process to ensure the quality of your practice. Okay, so the overall REC practice environment is very convenient, and the main environment is almost the same as the test room. So here I would like to briefly introduce our service process and what you can get if you choose CCIE lab training course. First of all, we provide one-to-one service at the VIP level, okay, and we will distribute EI lab solution or study material that are the same as the exam content. Thirdly, we will provide REC exercise. The REC exercise includes LS initial configuration. Okay, if you encounter any problems during the practice, we will help you solve them through the remote software. Okay, also we will provide tutorial videos explaining workbooks and solutions, and it is also shows you how to configure it section by section. Okay, we will arrange for you to test the quality of practice at each stage to confirm you meet the test standards. Last, we will arrange the sprint plan for you, matters needing attention in the exam, and so on. So, we will make sure you pass the CCIE in one pass in the exam. Okay, so do you have any problem about this part? If you have any problem, you can leave your comment below. Okay, so here is the CCIE lab service package you can take a look at. We provide 3 months service time, so length you will have enough time to practice. It includes material, REC, and service. So if you want to achieve CCIE certification, you can enjoy the SPOTO service. Okay. So you can also follow your own timetable. It's very flexible. Okay, so this is our study plan for everyone to pass the EI lab exam at one pass. As the CCIE lab has 2 modules, we deliver lab service and the learning materials in stage. The first stage is we will send routing and switching solution and the rack. The learning cycle is 3 to 4 weeks. Through routing switching rack practice, no need to consume any local computer. Practice anytime, anywhere. If you have completed the first stage, we will verify the quality of your practice for you. And after confirming that you meet the test standards, you will enter the SDN stage. The free tool will send the SDA and SD1 solution and SDN practice rack permissions, and then check each candidate practice process. The third stage, we will send the programming. The test preparation is very simple. As long as you memorize the scripts we provide and the practice. The last step, we will send design material. Design material will be sent out 1 week before the exam. Of course, we will flexibly adjust the study plan according to the characteristic of each student. Some students have strong learning ability, and they can also take the exam in just 1.5 months and pass the exam at one time. So everyone is possible. So if you want to get CCIE certification, you must not miss today's chance. Okay, so this is about my preparation tips for CCIE students. First, you must familiarize yourself with and understand the lab topology and requirement. Understand the provisioning environment for each device. Second, practice the lab content in modules and analyze the routing data clearly. Third, identify weak points through module exercise. Summarize the fault and the problems you encounter. Share your troubleshooting ideas with your tutors. Fourth, completely practice the lab version without referring to a solution to improve proficiency and accuracy. Last, contact tutors for periodic quality inspection to verify your own shortcomings and consolidate them. Communicate with the tutor more and be able to follow the tutor's test preparation suggestion. So these are my exchange experience with CCIE students. I hope it will help you to pass the CCIE exam. Okay, now, so also it is first week of February 2023. So you should go ahead and improve yourself. Many lab centers reopen, so book now and get CCIE before 2023. And most of you may think it's very difficult to pass CCIE exam, and it may take 3 or 5 years to get CCIE certified. But here I'm going to tell you, yes, indeed, it is very difficult exam by yourself, but 3 or 5 years, no. If you choose SPOTO, we can help you pass CCIE exam within 3 months. So we not only have high pass rate on a daily basis, but also offer remote rack access and CCIE tutor support, which can help you fasten your CCIE journey well. So here are some past reports in all checks. If you want to pass CCIE, service provider or security, wireless or DC, SPOTO can also help you to pass the exam. Okay, Also, there are real comments from CCIE students. They speak highly of SPOTO service. Okay, so if you want to boost salary and build a brand new career, it is the best time to choose the SPOTO CCIE lab package, which can help you pass in 3 months. So in today's live sale, you can enjoy a low price than usual. The original price is $2,000. Now the CCIE lab service only need $1,400. You can save $600. So you can save the $600. So please check the link on the comment zone in live chat section to enjoy my exclusive offer for you and grab the offer before the CCIE lab change. Okay, so you can order now. It's really lowest price. So friends who like lunch, hurry up because this price will not be offered after 24 hours. It will return to $2,000. Okay. Also, if you want other CCIE check, you can also buy at a reasonable price. For security or DC or service provider collaboration check, it's only need $1,500. You can save $500. So, if you want to achieve CCIE certification, you must not miss it, because we just talk about the CCIE. We just talk about the roadmap, the CCIE roadmap. Okay. Because we don't know, we can't make sure the CCIE when the CCIE will change. So, but we estimate that the time to change the EI lab questions may be the second half of 2023. So you mustn't miss it, because if you miss today's chance, you may be wait long time. Okay, so if you want to achieve CCIE certification, you must miss it. You should grab today's chance. Okay, so if you want to take a CCIE certificate, now is the best time. Okay, so this is the best price for 2023. Last chance to get IT exam stamps at lowest price. So if you want to get CCIE, now is the best time. Okay, so last chance to get IT exam stamps at lowest price. If you want to get other stamps, you can enjoy the group and ask admin for more. Okay, also the most important thing is, if you order today in the live sale, you can get a CCIE lab exam guide on how to tackle CCIE exam steps by steps, which are collected by CCIE experts based on candidate exam feedbacks, as well as useful tips for exam passing. Everyone should read it before taking the lab exam. Now it is free. It's free for anyone who makes the order today. So you should hurry to book now. Okay. Also, we have safer internet sale today. All IT certification. If you want to get any Cisco, AWS or SACA, Microsoft, CompTIA certification, and so on, you shouldn't miss our best offer. First, let's come to hot cell network certification. A network certification may set you up with the skills and the knowledge needed to progress in an IT network career. Whether you are looking for your first job in IT or want to advance along your career path, having certification to indicate your networking knowledge can help you demonstrate your hands-on skills to employers and clients. We have great sale for Cisco, Juniper, and F5. Fortinet Network Plus certifications. If you want this product, please grab the special offer link on the comment zone. Okay, so second, let's come to project management certification. Yeah, today's is great great offer for you. So if you want to achieve your CCIE expert training or other IT certification, you must to grab today's chance. Okay. Second, let's come to project management certification. The profession of project management has recently become one of the hottest jobs, not only in the teach market but across industries. If you want to pursue project management certification like PMP, RMP, ACP, Prince 2 ITILV4, Sixima, please grab the special offer link on the comment zone. Okay. Third, let's move to the third top certification, domain cloud. Top vendor certification includes AWS, Microsoft. The 2023 Open Source Jobs Report shows cloud and container technology skills are most in demand by hiring managers, surpassing Linux for the first time in the history of this report, with 46% of hiring managers seeking cloud talents. So we have great sale for AWS and Microsoft certifications. If you want this practice test, please grab the special offer link on the comment zone. Okay. So last, let's move to cybersecurity. I know some of you are interested in a career in cybersecurity. Cybersecurity professionals are in high demand with higher payout as well. CompTIA Security Plus, CISA, and CISM, PCNSE, PCSA certifications are the top cybersecurity certification you can pursue. We have DEMP and Proxy service which can help you get IT certified in first try. So please check a link on the comment zone to pass IT fast. New Year sales in on, so please grab the best offer. Also, many people will ask these questions. Let me answer one by one. First, while there are many questions on CCNA and CCNP, CCNA and CCNP exam changing frequently, so the exam questions for CCNA and CCNP are more and more. Learn before, ensure to cover all the questions, but SPOTO service and Tutor will help you pass CCNA and CCNP parts in first try. Okay, second, can you pass the IT exam with question and answer only? Yes, our DEMPs are the same as the real exam questions and answer. SPOTO's practice test 100% cover the real exam, so if you practice our questions bank, you will pass the exam successfully. Second, how can you know your product is the latest? Our products are updated fully and our CCNA practice tests are the latest on remote server. If there is an update on DEMPs, our service will inform you by email, and the server will warn you when you practice DEMP. And what's the DEMP format? Okay, the DEMP exam format is VCE. Okay, it's very similar to real exam format. You can practice the written DEMPs on remote server. Okay, so last questions. Can you buy now and start the service when you need? Okay, you can choose your suitable time to start the service when you need. Okay, so there are easy steps to get certified. First, you can select your certification. Second, pay the fee. And step 3, connect with us. Step 4, exam schedule. Last, passing the exam. So get certified with us today. Okay, so the above is what we show today. So if you have any questions, you can comment below. Okay, so do you have any problem about today's IT products? If you have any problems, you can leave your comment below. Okay, so let me summarize the today's IT products. First it's about our CCIE. Okay, CCIE roadmaps, Cisco roadmaps, change roadmaps. Okay, so this about you. First, you should know the Cisco certified roadmaps. This about CCIE checks. Maybe it's well. So if you want to achieve different direction, different checks, you can attention this timetable. Okay, but in CCIE, in EI, enterprise infrastructure, I think it may be changed in second half of 2023. This part. Okay, second part about our CCIE EI lab is very stable. So if you want to take a CCIE, get a CCIE certified, you mustn't miss today's chance. Because as usual, we students get CCIE certified. Usually, it's need 2 or 3 months to get CCIE certified. So if you study now, you can achieve CCIE certification on May. Okay, May or July. Okay, May or June or July. So maybe at that time CCIE will change. Okay, so you don't miss today's chance. Okay, second, it's about our CCIE students, the common reasons for candidates why they will fail. So I summarize some reasons for you, so you can prepare it. You can follow our suggestions. So last, it's about our CCIE practice environment and our CCIE study plan. So if you want to get CCIE certification, you mustn't miss today's chance. Okay, so this is about our CCIE study plan for everyone. Okay, so last, if you want to get CCIE certification, you mustn't miss today's chance. Okay, so today in today's IT products, if you have any problems, you can leave your comment below. Okay. Okay, so if you don't have any problems, so today's webinar is coming to an end. So if you want, in last chance, I want to tell you today is the best time to choose SPOTO CCIE lab package. So it's really the lowest price for everyone. So if you want to get CCIE, EI check or other check service provider or security, you mustn't miss today's chance. Also, it's about our other IT products. So if you want to get other IT products, you can enjoy the offer. Okay, so if you want to get more information about our IT products, you can also contact admin and join our study group. So if you have no further questions, today's webinar is coming to an end. I hope my explanation on CCIE lab plan for 2023 can help you to know why to choose SPOTO and why we can help you pass CCIE lab fast. Also, we have many highest paying IT certification you can get in 2023. So if you want to know more, you can contact admin. Okay, so don't forget to follow me and see you next time. Okay, so bye-bye. Bye-bye.